Today is our first field trip for the 4-week period that we are having the program, and we decided to bring the students here to Baha Mar to see the Fairwind exhibition and to get an appreciation for Bahamian art.
One of our kind of tenets is to focus on community and culture and also conservation, but the current in particular is focused on community and obviously culture. And so this is a way to kind of tie in what's happening with the university. It's very important. That institution is paramount. I mean, we get so much of our talent from there, and also it's a way for us to link in programming moving forward and to bring that kind of richness that hopefully guests can come to intersect with.
What is happening at the Current is really very vibrant, very expansive, and it is important for our kids not to be educated in a vacuum. So by bringing them to the Current, it is important for them to be exposed to John Cox, his wonderful team, and to see what it is and what the options are, and also to meet and see some of the artists who are working here at the Current, and hopefully we can inspire the kids.
People like them coming in and just seeing it and using it as a resource, as they should, is great, right? And so it just creates another kind of opportunity to kind of springboard a conversation about history and culture, which is pivotal. It just gives them another platform, which is what we wanted to do.
I think it's often important for students to have an idea of what Bahamian artists are producing, so they have a sense of place, a sense of being. Oftentimes in the high school system, particularly, we're learning from international artists, particularly European American artists, and it's good to know where you're coming from a Caribbean standpoint.
It isn't really taught much in schools, which is unfortunate, so just to be exposed to it now is something that's really awesome, so they could have an idea of what it's like before and what's progressing in our culture now, so it's really awesome.
The whole idea is for us to point the kids in the right direction, and hopefully by them being here with all of this energy and this expansive program, that they can be so inspired to further pursue art as a career. So it is an amazing opportunity for them.
As a young Bahamian artist, I should know where Bahamian art has been and where I now can take it. I am more than inspired. I feel now that I have so much ideas running through my mind right now. I can't wait to sit down in front of my sketchbook and put a pen to paper.
The Current is completely accessible to all of the local creatives, and by extension the Fairwind exhibition, just the same. I mean, the open hours for the Fairwind are even more than the Current. I mean, it's great. And like I said, they should come over, they should bring their own experiences to it, and they should expect to walk away with a new experience as well.